Hello everyone. Um, Today I received this package of Aeropress Go, and well, it's packed from all side. I have not yet opened it, um, so I'm very excited to open this one. As you know that specialty segment, specialty coffee segment in India is still picking up. Uh, so this Aeropress Go is available at $32 in the international market, and it is available at approximately a little over $49 in Indian market, counting the custom duty charges and everything that gets applied here. Yeah, so this will be a quick unboxing. Without waiting much, I'll cut open the box and let us see what we get along. Okay, so I've got open the box and what we have. Okay, this is good. I think this is just a lot of padding and protection. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll take this one out, and yep, there is nothing in the box. You can keep it aside, and this one is okay. Let me open the bubble wrap as well. Okay, so this is the box. That's Aeropress Go 1 to 3 cups. Okay, let us see. We can. Okay, by the way, I purchased this from Amazon. Cannot do it with one hand. Okay, so beautiful. Thank you for choosing Aeropress Go. Okay. Great. Okay, so this is what you get in the box. This is your entire Aeropress, and these are I think 350 filters. Yeah, 350 filters free with this pack. Not free, they charge for it, so it's part of the package. Yep. And let us see what we have in this Aeropress Go. So this is a silicone rubber thing, cap, and yeah, it has a nice touch to it. Nothing that stands out, but yeah, the way it is. And next is this our filter holder. Are these fingerprints? I'm not sure if there are already fingerprints inside, because I opened this pack, but still it was not sealed in a way that cannot be resealed again. I don't know, looks like dust or something, but yeah, this is where you can keep your paper filters. They say up to 20. Okay, and this is your main grill. Keep it aside, and okay, I'll keep this one aside for a moment and let us see. Okay, this one is your scoop. I don't know the grammage, but I think should be around 14-15 gram. That's a standard quantity, I believe, if you go for 7.5 gram per 100 ml. So I think the official capacity for this particular Aeropress Go is 237 ml. Not very sure, but as far as I can remember. Okay, and this is a stirrer. Ouch, probably, yeah, when your coffee is in bloom phase, if you have to stir it. Nice one, nice clicky thing. Okay, and now the chamber itself. Okay, all I want to check first is if there are any, maybe nicks or something in the piston, because this is the most important part, the plunger. I see there is, when I pulled it out, there is some dust. I'll have to wash this container once. There is some dust, but I do not see that piston is damaged in any way. Nope. Okay, and this one looks good. Okay, and finally the cup. It's good they give this riveted design. Maybe this will help holding the hotter liquid better in hands because of the insulation that it might provide. Nice. And I do not think there are any sharp edges on the lip. Can't see one. Okay, once we'll brew the coffee, then we'll get to know. So this is what you get in Aeropress Go. Whenever I'll brew my coffee with Aeropress Go, I'll post another video. Thank you guys.